actually featured Yord yesterday. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll do a haul, massive, not really massive, I have few stuff to show you guys, beauty related stuff, plus a watch that I'm so excited to show you guys. And this video, yes, you've read the title, this video has a giveaway and it's going to be an international giveaway. I have been wearing this watch for 2-3 days now and I am absolutely obsessed with it. It's from Yord. I actually already featured Yord last time and I pronounced it as Jord, which was not the way you pronounce it at all. They sell really good quality wood watches. Previously I chose a men's watch for Dan and he absolutely loves it. He wears it all the time, not for work but during the weekend. Now that I have my own, I understand why he loves it so much. It just looks really cool. This is how Dan's watch looks like. It just looks really cool with all that. And then this is what mine looks like. I chose the rose gold. I cannot remember the exact name of mine, like the name of the wood, something like that, or the color. I do not know, but I will leave the information below. When I received the watch, it came in this huge box right here and I was like, that's a huge box for just one watch. Their packaging always impressed me. So it looks like that. Then the actual wooden box looks like this. When you see the packaging, you just feel like, oh, this is legit. And then when you open it, you will have your Yord card, pamphlet, I think it's called. And then the pillow where my watch was placed. And then the box itself, you will open it like that. It also comes with an 100% natural finishing oil. So you use it for your watch, obviously. This is a two-way humidity control. No mess, no worries. Enjoy. Made in the USA. It's a 1-month pack. Automatically maintains a relative humidity for optimal wood watch storage. Oh, nice. It comes with a cloth as well for you to clean your watch. I don't remember exactly when I got Dan's watch, but it's still in very good condition, you guys. He still loves it and it just looks really cool. Like, nakaka-receive siya ng maraming compliments every time he wears this. And I have a giveaway for you guys. One of you will win $180 worth of gift card from Yord if you win. All you have to do is to follow the instruction that I have in the description box below. I also have a 15% off code for you guys if you want to purchase the watch. And the code will expire on the same day that the giveaway will end as well. So again, everything will be below. If you want this watch, go ahead and use my code. Yeah. Now onto the beauty stuff. I got a package from stylekorean.com. If you guys have been watching me, you know that I love Style Korean. That's where I get all my Korean K-beauty stuff, makeup and skincare, you know. And I have some stuff from Sephora as well. So it's in this huge box right here. And I will just go ahead and show you guys one by one. So the first one I have in here is from Innisfree. This is their Olive Real Cleansing Tissue. I have used this maybe 3 times now. I think it's breaking me out. Like after I use it, kinabukasan meron akong nakikitang mga maliliit na like red bumps sa mukha ko. Hindi ko din masyadong bet yung feeling niya sa face because it has extra virgin olive oil. So it feels really oily sa face. It works. It can remove your makeup. But it makes your face really oily after removing your makeup. So what I do after ko siya ginagamit is winuwipe ko pa yung mukha ko ng extra ng tissue kasi nga oily siya. And then I got this Nature Republic Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. I have heard a lot of good things about this one. Hindi ko lang sure kung saan mo ba itong gagamitin. Like, saan nyo ba itong ginagamit? Aloe vera is really good for your hair daw. Pero I'm not sure if you can use this gel sa hair nyo. Let me know though. Kasi gagamitin ko siya. And alam niyo naman na sobrang nipis ng buhok ko. So, i-update ko kayo kung maganda siya. So, let me know kung pwede siya gamitin sa buhok and kung pwede paano or kung ano yung mga ibang gamit ng aloe vera na gel na ito. So, let me know. Thank you so much in advance. And then, I have this Bath and Nature Body Cream. Acacia. Ooh, that's how it looks like. Very nice ng packaging niya. Very refreshing tingnan. I think it's a body lotion. That smells really refreshing. Oh, bagong ligo na amoy siya. I like it. Alam niyo na ako, I apply lotion every day. Every after maligo talaga, nag-apply ako ng lotion. And then, I have this Innisfree Creamy Bubble Maker. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Meron siyang, wait, open nga natin. Hindi lang kita. Ay! Meron siyang mga foam dyan, oh, na maliliit. So, loofah ba to? I think it's a loofah. I can't wait to use that. Actually, kakatapon ko lang ng loofah ko kasi natagal na yung ginamit. Like, I think 3 months na yun. So, perfect timing to. I also got this Etude House My Beauty Tool cotton pads. So, ganyan lang. Because I use cotton pads all the time. I use cotton pads sa aking deodorant kasi alam niyo naman na I'm using the RMK deodorant. I use this sa aking toner. I use it to remove my makeup, eye makeup. So, you know, it's always good to have more. And then this one, I'm really excited. Let me know if you want me to do a review. This is the Etude House Double Lasting Foundation. I got the darkest shade and I don't think it's dark enough for me. Like, anong ganap ng mukha ko? Bakit yung darkest hindi pa rin tama sa akin? This is the shade Amber. See guys, it looks light. Like, why are you maybe... I think it's way too light. Pero ito na yung darkest nila. And when I looked at the swatch sa website, it looks really dark. Way darker than this. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit ganito siya in real life. And now, na parang na-blend ko na siya, hindi siya yellow. Meron diyang pinkish undertone sa kanya. Anyway, let me know if you want me to do a review because I will. Kahit na hindi siya like 100% match sa akin. Let me know. I will review it. I will still review it. Kahit na magmukha ko multo dito. Okay, next one is this Tony Moly Pocket Bunny Perfume Bar. Look how cute! Ito, kinuha ko kasi sabi ko perfect to pang travel. Especially kung nagustuhan ko yung amoy niya. Like, ito na lang yung dadalhin ko when we travel, diba? Kasi this is a solid perfume, guys. So, it's perfect! Super cute. And, ganyan yung itsura niya. Meron pa siyang takip. Ganyan yung itsura. And ano mo lang siya dito. Or sa iyon dito. Wait, amoyin ko nga muna. Ooh! Smells parang sabon na mabangong sabon. Citrusy siya na amoy. Para kang nasa farm na maraming fruits. Ganon. And then I have this. This Secret Solution Wedding Dress Cream. So it's a lotion. I want to use this maybe a week, 2 weeks before my wedding. It's from It's Skin, by the way. And look how pretty. Wala lang. Nakita ko lang siya doon. And I was like, ooh. Ooh. Strong siya na amoy. I don't think I like that. Pero okay lang. Lotion lang naman to. Hindi naman to perfume. We'll see. I'm still excited to use that. So, next up is this Chateau Labiot Wine Angle Mascara Volume Fixer. So, meron na ako ng Chateau Labiot. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Na lipstick. Meron na din ako nung lip tint. And now, I have the mascara. Let me know if you want me to review this. Ay, nice. Hello, very nice ng packaging. Packaging. Look at that. It kind of matches my nails. Not really, but kinda. Ha! Ayaw ko siyang i-open kasi ang dami ko pang mascara. Let me know if you want me to review. If not, then it's gonna stay here forever and ever hanggang sa maubos ko yung ibang mascara ko. Skin Food. Ito yung kanila Dark Circle Concealer. Salmon Dark Circle Concealer. It looks like this. It is in a pot. And I'm not actually like a huge fan of concealer na nandito. Maybe it was on sale. That's why I decided to get it. Pero yeah. I will give this a try. Next up are lip liners. Alam niyo naman, I love me some lip liners. So I got 3 shades. Ito pala yung Etude House Soft Touch Auto Lip Liner. Meron akong tatlo. Guys, I remember I had one of this before and I really like that one. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung anong shade nun. And wala na siya sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ko siya nawala. Pero, I have 3 now. I like may pagka-brown-brown. This is the 7503. I like that color. And then this one is the 7501. Ooh, perfect siya pang araw-araw. This last one is 7505. That's a terrible swatch. But yeah, those are the shades. Another one from Skin Food. Ito yung kanilang Nail Vita. And just looks like that. Red, bright red. Perfect to pang Valentine's. Bukas na yung Valentine's. I'm filming this on Monday. And then I also got this Etude House Nail Remover. Because I need some. So I got some. Oh, ito. Excited akong gamitin. Ito yung COS RX Master Patch. Acne Pimple Master Patch. Looks like that. So, meron siyang mga maliliit na patches na ilalagay mo sa meron kang pimple, tapos overnight, supposedly, parang magdadry yung pimple, something like that. One of you guys actually commented on my video na i-check tong brand na to, and when I saw na meron sila sa Style Korean, I decided to get it kasi I wanted to try it. And then, last items from Style Korean are these. Ito yung from Tony Moly, I believe. Yep, Tony Moly Changing Magic Foot Peeling Shoes. Ano siya? Foot mask siya na supposedly makakatulong sa mga kalyo-kalyo. Itatry ko to kay Dan. Kasi yung from Dresslink na nabili ko, hindi siya nag-work kay Dan. Ito, meron siyang magagandang review sa Style Korean. So, I decided to get 3. And then, I have few stuff in here from Sephora. No! I'm not done yet. I have this Innisfree Green Tea Moisture Cream. Kasi malapit na maubos yung Neutrogena ko na moisturizer. So, I decided to pick a moisturizer. Again, hindi ako masyadong big fan sa ganitong packaging, but oh well. Feeling ko naka-sale to, kaya ito yung kinuha ko. This is the Green Tea Moisture Cream. Okay, now onto the Sephora stuff that I got. I don't have a lot in here because some of it I used on my which one? Green Smoky Eye video. And yeah, ayoko namang ipakita dito na nakita nyo na doon. Pero yung mga hindi ko napakita doon is this. I got another beauty blender kasi di ko alam. Oh, actually, I got this because of yung bar solid cleanser. And then I also got the Suiva Love is a Story na palette. I have a growing collection. Growing, really. Siguro mga 4 na ganito palette from Suiva. I'm actually really enjoying the quality of Suiva palettes. It looks like that. So pretty. Okay, last one from Sephora. And the last one sa haul na to is this Suiva Rose Golden Luxury Set Volume 2 8 brushes plus clutch. Yes. Ay! Ay, hindi ko naman alam na wala pala siya sa loob ng clutch. Look how pretty! Look how pretty is this! Oh my gosh. Gusto ko siyang i-display dito. Oh, dyan sa likod. Gusto ko siya i-display dyan. Rose gold. Ang ganda. Di ko siya gagamitin. I-display ko lang siya. Pag nakahanap ako ng magandang paglalagay ng mga brushes to display. What is this? Oh, yan pala. Okay. The brushes looks like this. Oh my gosh, you guys. So pretty. Sobrang ganda. See? And then, meron din siyang kasamang clutch. The clutch looks like that. Very fancy. Actually, I can use this. Maybe, maybe not. And that is it for my haul. Don't forget to check the description box para sa details ng giveaway. Good luck sa lahat ng sasali. That is it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Yan yung subscribe button below guys. Like, i-click nyo lang yan. Free siya, wala siyang bayad. And you will be subscribed. Sana maka 100k tayo before the wedding. I don't think it will happen, but hey, we will try. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to goodbye. Parang may lemon na, or maybe, ano siya, citrusy. Alam niyo naman, I love me some me. What? I love me some me. Items, and then last items from Style